Have you ever noticed that some people just seem really comfortable on camera? Like they're the kind of people that need to be making videos. They're the ones that should be on camera. Well, let me tell you a story about when I met my wife. I wasn't 100% myself. I was nervous to meet her, and you don't just talk about all your quirks and weird things the first time you meet somebody. And even as we started hanging out and building that relationship, I was a little bit guarded, like we all are. And as that relationship developed and I got to trust her more, I gave myself permission to be myself. It's not like when I started opening up to my wife that all of a sudden I learned how to speak and I got to talk better. It was just I was more comfortable. And it's the same with being on camera. That camera, as weird as it sounds, is something you need to form a relationship with. It's not always about being confident. It's about realizing that this is a relationship that you're just nervous to get into. And as you do it more, you'll be yourself. I hope that helps. I want to remind you that as you're going out and you're growing your business, that I know this video stuff can be really hard, but I know that all of you out there can do really cool things and just keep impacting people's lives.